Plastic surgery is a surgical specialty that involves the restoration, reconstruction, or alteration of the human body. The primary objective of plastic surgery is to improve a person's appearance or function through surgical techniques. Plastic surgery has become increasingly popular in recent years due to the growing desire for people to improve their physical appearance. However, there are many different types of plastic surgery, each with its own benefits and risks. The most common types of plastic surgery are cosmetic surgeries, which are performed to improve a person's appearance. Cosmetic surgeries can range from simple procedures like Botox injections or chemical peels to more complex surgeries like facelifts or breast augmentation. Cosmetic surgeries are often elective procedures and are not covered by insurance, which means that patients must pay for them out of pocket. There are also reconstructive surgeries, which are performed to correct defects or deformities caused by accidents, injuries, or congenital conditions. Reconstructive surgeries can include procedures like breast reconstruction after mastectomy, skin grafts for burn victims, or cleft lip and palate repair. Unlike cosmetic surgeries, reconstructive surgeries are often covered by insurance. Plastic surgery can be a life-changing experience for some people. For those who have been self-conscious about a physical feature or who have suffered from a disfigurement or deformity, plastic surgery can provide a newfound sense of confidence and self-esteem. However, it's important to note that plastic surgery is not a cure-all solution and it's not without risks. Like any surgical procedure, plastic surgery carries risks of complications such as bleeding, infection, and scarring. In some cases, patients may experience complications related to anesthesia or post-operative pain. Additionally, plastic surgery can be expensive, and patients should be aware of the potential costs involved. It's also important to note that plastic surgery should never be seen as a substitute for a healthy lifestyle. While some cosmetic procedures can improve a person's appearance, they cannot address underlying health issues or poor lifestyle habits. Patients should always strive to maintain a healthy diet and exercise routine to ensure long-term health and wellness. Before undergoing any type of plastic surgery, it's important to research the procedure thoroughly and choose a qualified and experienced surgeon. Patients should also have realistic expectations about the outcome of the procedure and be prepared for the recovery process. Plastic surgery can be a valuable tool for improving a person's appearance or function. However, it's important to approach plastic surgery with caution and to understand the risks and limitations involved. By doing so, patients can make informed decisions about their health and wellness and achieve the best possible outcomes from plastic surgery. Next newspaper. Plastic surgery. The pros and cons. Plastic surgery is a medical specialty that involves the restoration, reconstruction, or alteration of the human body. The primary goal of plastic surgery is to improve a person's appearance or function, but it can also be used to repair damage caused by injury, illness, or birth defects. While plastic surgery has become more common and accessible in recent years, it is still a controversial topic with both advocates and critics. The pros of plastic surgery. One of the most significant benefits of plastic surgery is its ability to improve a person's appearance. Procedures like breast augmentation, rhinoplasty, nose job, and facelifts can boost a person's self-esteem and confidence, leading to an overall improvement in their quality of life. Some plastic surgery procedures are done to correct physical deformities or to improve bodily functions. For example, reconstructive surgery can repair damage caused by accidents, burns, or disease, while rhinoplasty can improve breathing function. In some industries, like entertainment and modeling, appearance plays a significant role in success. Plastic surgery can give individuals a competitive edge by enhancing their physical appearance, leading to better job prospects and more significant opportunities. The cons of plastic surgery. As with any surgical procedure, there are risks and complications associated with plastic surgery. These can include infection, bleeding, anesthesia complications, and scarring. Some procedures also carry a higher risk of complications than others. Plastic surgery is not a magic solution to all of life's problems. Patients must have realistic expectations of what can be achieved through surgery. If expectations are too high, patients can become disappointed and unhappy with the results. Plastic surgery can be costly, and many procedures are not covered by insurance. This means that patients may need to pay out of pocket for their surgery, which can be a significant financial burden. Some people become addicted to plastic surgery, undergoing multiple procedures to achieve the perfect appearance. This can lead to a cycle of dissatisfaction and an unhealthy obsession with appearance. Plastic surgery can be a useful tool for improving appearance and function, but it is not without risks and downsides. Before undergoing any plastic surgery procedure, patients should carefully weigh the pros and cons, have realistic expectations, and choose a qualified and experienced surgeon. Ultimately, the decision to undergo plastic surgery should be a personal one, based on individual goals and priorities. Next newspaper. Plastic surgery is a branch of medicine that involves the reconstruction, alteration, or restoration of the human body. It involves surgical procedures that aim to improve a person's physical appearance or functionality, either due to medical conditions or personal preferences. In recent years, plastic surgery has become increasingly popular, with many people opting for various procedures to enhance their looks. While plastic surgery has its benefits, it is also essential to understand the potential risks and considerations involved. There are various types of plastic surgery procedures available, ranging from minimally invasive to major surgeries. Some of the most common procedures include breast augmentation, rhinoplasty, nose job, liposuction, facelifts, and tummy tucks. While these procedures can improve a person's physical appearance, they also come with some risks, such as infections, bleeding, and adverse reactions to anesthesia. It is crucial to note that plastic surgery is not a quick fix for self-esteem or body image issues. While it may improve one's physical appearance, it is essential to have realistic expectations and understand that it may not necessarily bring lasting happiness or satisfaction. Patients should also have a thorough consultation with their surgeon before undergoing any procedure, to ensure that they fully understand the risks, benefits, and potential outcomes. One of the most significant concerns surrounding plastic surgery is the potential for addiction. Some people become so fixated on improving their appearance that they may undergo multiple surgeries, which can lead to complications and health risks. Additionally, plastic surgery can be expensive, and not everyone may be able to afford it. This can lead to financial stress and a cycle of debt for some patients. Another consideration when it comes to plastic surgery is the importance of finding a reputable and qualified surgeon. Patients should research potential surgeons thoroughly, and ensure that they are board certified and have a good track record. It is also crucial to choose a surgeon who has experience in the specific procedure the patient is considering. In conclusion, plastic surgery can be a useful tool for those seeking to improve their physical appearance or address medical conditions. However, it is essential to consider the potential risks and benefits carefully, and to have realistic expectations. Patients should also ensure that they choose a reputable and qualified surgeon to minimize the risks involved. Ultimately, plastic surgery should not be taken lightly, and patients should carefully weigh their options before undergoing any procedure. Next newspaper. Plastic surgery has become a very common topic of conversation in recent years. People are more concerned than ever about their physical appearance and are willing to go to great lengths to look their best. Plastic surgery has become a viable option for those who want to enhance or improve their appearance. However, before considering plastic surgery, it is important to understand what it is, what it involves, and its potential risks and benefits. What is plastic surgery? Plastic surgery is a type of surgery that is done to improve a person's appearance or correct a physical deformity. It can be done on any part of the body, but it is most commonly performed on the face, breasts, and abdomen. Plastic surgery is a broad field that includes a variety of procedures, ranging from minor cosmetic changes to major reconstructive surgeries. Types of plastic surgery. There are many different types of plastic surgery, but some of the most common. This procedure is done to reshape the nose and is one of the most popular cosmetic surgeries. This procedure is done to increase the size of the breasts using implants. This procedure is done to remove excess fat from various parts of the body. This procedure is done to lift and tighten the skin on the face, reducing the signs of aging. This procedure is done to remove excess skin and fat from the abdomen and to tighten the muscles in that area. The benefits of plastic surgery can be both physical and emotional. For example, a person who has undergone breast augmentation may feel more confident about her appearance, leading to improved self-esteem. Similarly, a person who has had a facelift may feel more youthful and energetic. Plastic surgery can also correct physical deformities, such as cleft lips, which can greatly improve a person's quality of life. Like any surgery, plastic surgery carries certain risks. Some of the risks associated with plastic surgery include bleeding, infection, scarring, and adverse reactions to anesthesia. In addition, there is always the possibility that the results of the surgery may not meet the patient's expectations. It is important for patients to have realistic expectations and to understand that plastic surgery is not a cure-all for all their physical and emotional concerns. In conclusion, plastic surgery can be a valuable tool for those who want to improve their physical appearance and correct physical deformities. However, it is important to understand the risks and benefits of the procedure before making a decision. Patients should always consult with a qualified plastic surgeon and be honest about their expectations, concerns, and medical history. With careful consideration and the guidance of a skilled plastic surgeon, plastic surgery can be a positive and life-changing experience. Next newspaper. Plastic surgery is a type of medical procedure that involves the reconstruction, alteration, or restoration of the human body. It is usually done to enhance a person's physical appearance or to correct a physical abnormality caused by an accident, disease, or birth defect. The field of plastic surgery has evolved greatly over the years, with new techniques and technologies making procedures safer, more effective, and more accessible to patients. While plastic surgery is often associated with cosmetic procedures, such as breast augmentation, liposuction, and facelifts, it also includes reconstructive procedures, such as breast reconstruction after mastectomy, cleft palate repair, and burn scar revision. There are many reasons why someone may choose to undergo plastic surgery. For some, it may be to correct a physical deformity that has caused them emotional distress or social isolation. For others, it may be to enhance their physical appearance and boost their self-esteem. Whatever the reason, it is important to approach plastic surgery with a realistic mindset and an understanding of the risks and benefits involved. One of the most important things to consider when deciding whether or not to undergo plastic surgery is the qualifications of the surgeon performing the procedure. Plastic surgeons must undergo extensive training and education, including a residency program in plastic surgery, in order to become certified by the American Board of Plastic Surgery. It is important to do your research and choose a qualified and experienced surgeon who can safely perform the procedure you are considering. It is also important to have realistic expectations about the results of plastic surgery. While modern techniques and technologies have made it possible to achieve incredible transformations, it is important to remember that plastic surgery is not a magic solution to all of life's problems. It is important to have a clear understanding of what can and cannot be achieved through plastic surgery and to communicate your goals and expectations with your surgeon. Finally, it is important to consider the potential risks and complications of plastic surgery. While modern techniques have made plastic surgery safer than ever before, there are still risks involved, including infection, bleeding, scarring, and anesthesia complications. It is important to discuss these risks with your surgeon and to follow all post-operative instructions carefully in order to minimize your risk of complications. Plastic surgery can be a valuable tool for improving both physical appearance and emotional well-being. However, it is important to approach plastic surgery with a realistic mindset, to choose a qualified and experienced surgeon, and to understand the risks and benefits involved. By doing so, you can make an informed decision about whether or not plastic surgery is right for you.